ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। विभक्त्यर्थप्रकरणम्। अत्र अस्मिन् अभ्यासे कानिचन पदानि द्वितीया विभक्तौ दत्तानि। कीदृशानि तानि इति वक्तव्यम्। द्वितीया विभक्तिः केन सूत्रेण, कथं, कर्म वा अथवा उपपद विभक्त्या वा इति। यथा पश्यतु 12.5 येषु वाक्येषु विद्यमानं कर्मपदं चित्वा किमर्थं कर्मसंज्ञा इति लिखता। यत्र कर्मद्वयं द्विकर्म अस्ति तत्र द्वयोः अपि लेखनीयम्। यथा पश्यतु विद्यार्थी सप्ताहं गृहे वसति। किं कर्मपदम्?
सप्ताहं।
सप्ताहं। केन सूत्रेण? वयं जानीमः केन सूत्रेण इति, अत्र न उक्तम्। विद्यार्थी सप्ताहं गृहे वसति। सप्ताहं केन सूत्रेण? कालाद्वनोः अत्यंत संयोगे। किल कालाद्वनोः अत्यंत संयोगे इति सूत्रेण द्वितीया विभक्तिः। पूर्वमुक्तमेव किल। अत्र कालात् कर्मपदं तत्र कालवाचकशब्दाः कर्मसंज्ञां प्राप्नुवन्ति। छात्रः सप्ताहं वसति, रमावासं गृहे तिष्ठति। कर्मधातुभिः योगे सप्ताहः मास इत्यादयः कालवाचकाः शब्दाः कर्मसंज्ञां प्राप्नुवन्ति। केन सूत्रेण? फुट्नोट। अकर्मधातुभिः योगे देशः कालः भावः गन्तव्या अद्वा च कर्मसंज्ञा इति वाच्यं सिद्धान्तकौमुदी इति। किन्तु अत्र वार्तिकं दत्तम्। The word standing for Kala or Advan will take second case when there is Atyanta Sanyoga. So, he stayed completely there for a week. Saptaham Grihe Tishtati. So, therefore, by this sutra we can say Kala Advanava Atyanta Sanyogi. Or during which a Kriya happens.
देशकाल
Deshakala Adva Gantavyaha Karma Sanyahi Akarmana. That is a Vartika 2:14:51. So, the difference between these two is when a Kriya happens during that period, in terms of time or space, Karma Sanya by that Vartika. Here the Karma Sanya is in this unbroken continuity. That is, the action happens for the whole duration. Then it is by the Kala Advanaho Atyanta Sanyoge. So therefore, which one we will take? Akarma Dhatubhihi Deshaha Kalaha Bhavaha Gantavyaha Advacha Karma iti Vachyam. It takes that to be the Vartika. Again, I think it is your Vivaksha. Because if the action happens for the whole duration, Saptaham Grihe Tishtati Vasati, whatever it is. So, if it is Atyanta Sanyoge, then 2, 3, 5. Or the action happens during that period or time, then we can take that to be Vartika. But here it takes that to be Vartika. Deshakala Advagantavyaha Karma Sanyahi Akarmanam. Right? So, as it takes, you take Vartika, it takes. But I prefer 2, 3, 5 because Tishtati also Kriya. Saptaham Girhe Tishtati means he stays. He stays for one complete week. So staying is also an action. Akarmaka Dhatu. And so therefore, one full week, that's continuity, unbroken continuity. Therefore, I take 2, 3, 5. Okay. The difference between these two is, here it is not Akarmaka Dhatu. Whereas here it is Akarmaka Dhatu. Another difference. Akarmaka Dhatu denoting place or time. Probably that is why it takes that to be the Vartika. Here it is not. Word standing for Kala or Advan will take second case when there is unbroken continuity, then in terms of Kriya, Guna, substance. So Adite studies for the full month. What he studies, that is that is karma, but Masam Adite means not Masa he studies. Masam is Tritiya Vakti, because that is the time period he stays there. Similarly, Samvatsaram Buddhanaha Santi, the whole year of grain and jaggery being there. examples, whatever we are given. Aditya is a main example. So again, it's you can take this to be as per your Viveksa. Akarmaka dhatu is there. I think that is why he takes that to be the Bhartika. Akarmaka dhatu bihi yoge. Not much difference between the Vartika and the Sutra. It's a fine difference, of course. Akarmaka dhatus, that is for the Vartika. And there is Atyanta Sanyoge. That's the difference is there. The action happens continuously without any break. The Vidyarthi Saptaham Grihe Vasati, Saptaham Grihe Patati. Grihe Patati is then Kaladvaha Atyanta Sanyoge. How long he studies? For 1 full week. So that's why he said 2, 3, 5 is better. Okay. Anyway. Now, Vasdhatu is Akarmaka dhatu. That is why it takes that to be a Vartika. Chatraha Shalam Gachati. Atra Karmapadam.
Shalam.
Shalam iti Karmapadam. Shala iti Karma. Then Kidrisham Karma. By what sutra? Ipsitamam Karma. Patikaha Chatram Margam Prichati. Prichdhatu is
Vikarmaka dhatu.
Vikarmaka dhatu. So which is Pradhana Karma. Chatraha, Chatrava, Margava. Margam. So Chatra can be in what vibhakti?
Pratama.
Not Pratama.
Gauna.
It is Gauna Karma. Gauna Karma in. We
Chatra.
are not doing Karmani. Don't confuse with. We are doing not Karmani.
Panchami.
Panchami. Chatrat. Chatrat or Chatram. Gurugu Chatram Vedam Brute.
This is also
Vedam
Kasturepsitam.
This is also Vikarmaka.
Vikarmaka.
Vedam is Pradhana Karma. Kartuhu Ipsitamam Karma. Chatram. Gauna Karma and
So Chatrat.
Chatraya.
Yeah, Chatra.
Not Chatrat. Chaturthi. Akatitam cha. Right? Avivakshitam. Sampradana Avivakshitam. Is Sampradana Karakam Avivakshitam Bhavati. Tarhi Tatra. Dvitiya Rakti. That is Karma. Api Karma Bhavati. Tapa Chatram. Sampradana Avivakshite Karma Bhavati Chatram Pita Putram Vidyalayam Gamayati. This is Nijanta Dhatu. Gamayati by Gati Buddhyar Buddhi Pratyavasanartha Shabda Karma Karma Kanam Anino Sa Karma. That sutram, right? So by that sutra Prayojyakarta Anikarta Sanav Putra will take Ditiya. Sutra is 1452. Vidyalayam is Kartuhu Ipsitamam Karma. Tarunaha Vriddham Upaveshyati. This also same. No, this is Upaveshyati Anu. Vriddhaha Upaveshyati. Gati Buddhi. Same. Prayojyakarta takes Dvitiya Vibhakti. Rameshaha Masam Videshe Vasati.
It's like first one. Masam.
Like first one. Kaladvana. Atyanta Sanyogi also you can do. You can take nothing now. Umeshaha Janan Dhyanam Karayati.
Gati Buddhi. Kru and Hru.
Yeah. There it will.
Nijanta.
Rikruhu. Anyatarasyam, right?
अन्यतरस्य
Janan atava.
जनैः
Janaihi. Very good.
जनैः
Yes. Janaihi. Tritiya bhakti. Anyatarasyam is there optionally. So optionally, optional karma. Otherwise, tritiya bhakti. Umeshaha janaihi dhyanam karayati. That's correct. Uma kabim padyam lekhayati. Padyam. Padya. Shabda
शब्दक
karma. So pradhana karma is kavi.
कवि
So lekhayati. Uma lekhayati. So kavi is the priyojya karta. It becomes karma. Priyojya karma. The priyojya karma is pradhana karma. Please note. That prayojya karta will take dvitiya bhakti, means it takes karma sanya, therefore dvitiya bhakti. Prayojya karma. And that will be pradhana karma. Shabda karma, of course, padya is there. So therefore that will be kartuhu ipsitamam karma. Pradhana karma, gona karma. Gajaha vanam aditishtanti. Adipurvaka.
Adishing Sthasam.
Yeah. Adipurvaka, adishing stas, as dhatu will govern dvitiya bhakti. Otherwise, saptami. Adaraha adhikaranam.
Niyati.
Chhatraha Vishwavidyalayam Adhivasati. Same thing. What is the number? Adishin
448
48. Okay, then
No, Adishing is 1446.
1456.
56.
Okay.
Stada ಅದು only 1446 no?
Hmm?
It comes.
This is a
Adishi
separate.
1446 and
This one is Upan.
Upan Padyan Vasa.
So there is a sutra Adipurvaka, Adishin, and sutram is there.
Yes, that is 1446.
Same, that is sutra. Yeshu Slokeshu Vidyamanani Karmapadani Tat Sambandha Kriyapadani Chalikata. Yata Trishnam Chindi. Chindi. The dhatu is the Chidir dhatu. Chidir dhatu, seventh conjugation. So Chid, the Num will come, that is Shnam will come. Trishnam Chindi. Some correction is made here. What is the Latlakara of Chidir dhatu? Chinnati. Chinnati, Chintaha, Chindanti. Nainam Chindanti Shastrani. Nainam Dagati Pavakaha. Nachainam Kladigantyaapaha. Nashoshayati Maruta. Chinnati. Then Chintaha, Chindanti. Right? Then here we have Chindi. We get Chindi. Let's try as markets up.
Lot lakara.
It may be lot lakara, yes. It's not lot lakara, it is lot lakara. Lot lakara must be Chindi, I think, yes. Lot lakara Chindi.
Many
Will not be
more
two.
forms are there. Chintat, Chintad, that is okay. Then Chinta, Chindhi, Chindhi. Many forms are there.
But lot lakara, where is Chindi?
In Madhyama Purusha,
Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Chindi, yes. Tam Chindi, yes, that's correct. E. That he becomes Dhi. One sutra, he, dihi. One sutra, that was Chindi. Mahaprana. It's not Alpa Prana. That is thing, I think that is a correction. Trishnam Chindi. Tvam.
yeah.
Trishnam Chindi. Bhajakshama Jahi. Madam pape rati ma krataha. Satyam bruhi anuyahi sadhu padavim sevasva vidvajanan. Manyan manaya vidvishaha api ananuya prakhyapaya swan gunan kirtim palaya dukkite kuru tayam etat satam lakshanam. So satam lakshanam is talked about. Oh, this is a shloka. Okay. Vidyamanani karma padani tat sambandhani kriya padani api. So karma padam and kriya padam you have to take.
All the kriyas are
Yeah. Bhaja lot lakara. Bhaja kshamam. That is one thing, right? Kshamam bhaja. Madam jahi. Jahi is
Yajati.
jahi. That is Teja.
Yajati.
Jagi is Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, Yasho Dehi, Dvisho Jagi. So that Jahi Dhatu. So it is to get rid of Jahi. So it is Lot Lakara Rupam. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Dhatu is Ha Dhatu. I think so. Must be A Dhatu. A Dhatu, two are there.
Han
Han
is
Dhatu,
given.
sorry, Han Dhatu, sorry. Han will take. Han is Lot Lakara is Jagi. Yeah, not Ha Dhatu. Samikshamitam. Jagi is kill. Jagi is finish, kill. Andhatu. Andhatoho Lot Lakara Rupam. Lot Lakara for the Anadanta Anga, that Madhyama Purusha will be replaced by he. Then that is say he apicha by the sutra. And Andhatu, an plus he. Then Andhatu will be replaced by Ante Jaha, one sutra visa. Long back, that is, which is 7.3 section, I think. So Jagi, Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi. So Andhatu, Jagi. So Madam is the karma, Madam Jahi. Then Pape Ratim Ma Kritaha. Ma Kritaha is Lung Lakara. Ma Akritaha. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Ma Akritaha. Ma Akritaha, Lung Lakara. So what is the karma here? Pape
Ratim.
Rati.
So Pape Ratim. Ratim is the karma. Then Satyam Bruhi. Satyam. Mada. Bruhi Bru Dhatu. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Anuyagi Sadhu Padavim Sevasvat Vidvajanan. Sadhu Padavim Anuyagi. Anupurvaka Yadatu Yagatau. Second conjugation. He. Manyan Manaya. Manyan is karma. Manaya respect. With Vishaha. Manyan Manaya. With Vishaha api. Anunaya Prakhyapaya.
Prakyapaya.
Prapurvaka
Vidvishe is
Kyadatu. Sorry?
Vidvishe is karma and Vinaya is kriya.
With Vishaha. With Vishaha. I think
That is
Dvish.
Wish that.
Yeah, Dvish becomes Dvish, Dvisho, Dvishaha, Dvisham, Dvisho, Dvishaha. With Dvishaha, it must be 2, 3, I think. The dhatu is derived from the Pratipadikam derived from Dvish dhatu, V Purvaka, Dvish dhatu. Then you will have Dvid or Dvid, Dvisho, Dvishaha, Dvisham, Dvisho, Dvishaha, with Dvishaha. Anunaya with Dvishaha. Swan Gunan Prakhyapaya. Prapurvaka Kya dhatu, Kya total, causative form, cause to say. So Let people praise your gunas. Swan gunan prakyapaya. Kirtim palaya. Palaya kirtim. Palaya lotlakara. Kirtim karma. Dukkite saptami. Kuru dayam. Dayam kuru. Dukkite is Vishesh Saptami. Dukkite towards the people. Dukkite dayam kuru. Etat satam lakshanam. Right? Listen. Vidvishaha is Dvish dhatu. Then Vrasya Brasya will apply. Therefore, you will get Dvit or Dvish. Vidvit or Vidvish. Ma Vidvishavahim. Also is there, no? So that is Dvitiya Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Okay. Then Sukarti Tejate Vidyam. Vidyarti Tejate Sukam. Sukartinaha Kuto Vidyam. Kuto Vidya. Kuto Vidyartina Sukam. Which is karma. Along with the Kriya Padam, you have to write. Huh?
Sukarti Tejate Vidyam. Vidyam is karma.
Tejate
Tejate is Kriya
Tejati
Padam.
is Kriyapadam.
Sukham also karma. Tejate is the
Tejati
Kriya
is
Padam.
Parasvepadi, right? Tejate is given. Anyway, it's, we don't know who wrote this. Asha Prayoga, we have to take. Sukarti Tejate Vidyam. Vidyam Tejate.
Sukham Tejati.
Similarly, Sukam Tejate. Right? That's it, only two.
Yeah.
Sukartinaha Kuto Vidya. That Vidya is Pratama Vyakti Ekavachanam. Vidyartinaha Sukam Kutaha. So that is Pratama Vyakti. That is not Dvitiya. What is the footnote? Mahabharatam. Okay. Therefore, Asya Prayoga Vyasacharya. Vidya dadati vinayam vinayati ati patratam. Patratva dharma apnoti. Dhana dharmam tatas sukam. So here,
Vinayam Dadati.
Dadati.
Vidya vinayam dadati sentence. Vinayam is karma. Vinayat yati patratam.
Patratam Yati.
Patrata Vyati.
Patratva dhanam apnoti.
Dhanam
Nama.
Dhanat dharmam apnoti. You have to supply. Then tataha dharmat sukam apnoti. Then there also we have to supply. Dharmataha or dharmat sukam apnoti. Dukkhe dukkadikan pashyet. Sukhe pashyet sukadikan. Atmanam shokarshabhyam shatrubhyam iva narpayet. What is the meaning? This is from 14. That is Hitopadesha. What is the meaning of this?
Dukkhe Dukkadikan Pashyet means we must see the more than
One who has more pain than us. That one. In sorrow,
when the difficulties comes in that sorrow, we must see the people who are having more than that dukkha. That we have to. Same way, sukhe pashe sukhadikan. So the same with sukha also. We must see the people who are having more sukha. That we must see. Atmanam shokaharsha bham shatru bham iva na arpayet. Both shoka and sukha and dukkha, we must take as shatru bham iva. We must take.
We have to consider as our enemy, Shoka and Harsha, both. Happiness and sorrow, both
So,
we have to treat as.
Means dukkhe dukkadikan pashyet. That's very clear. Pashyet, linglakara. So dukkhe in pain, dukkadikan pashyet. Look at now people who have more pain. Similarly, Sukhe Sukhadikan Pashyet. Sukhe Sukhadikan Pashyet. Similarly, in Sukham, look at people who have more Sukham. Sukhadikan Pashyet. Atmanam Shoka Arshabhyam. Shoka Arshabhyam Shatruhu. Atmanam Shoka Arshabhyam Shatrubhyam Iva Na Arpayet. Na Arpayet. Arpayet from which dhatu? Ru dhatu. Causative. Arpayati, right? Pukkakama will come. Ru dhatu, then Pukkakama, then Arpi, Arpaye, Arpayati. Here Arpayet. Ling Lakara. Arpayet. Don't yield to. That's the meaning. Arpayet. Don't offer. Arpayet is offering. So, Atmanaha Shoka Harsha. Shoka Harsha. Atmanam Shoka Harshabhyam. Atmanam, what vibhakti? Atmanam Shoka Arpayet. Arpayet means may one not. Atmanam is oneself. Atman Ditya vibhakti, right? Atma, Atmanav, Atmana, Atmanam. May one not offer oneself. Shoka Harshabhyam. What vibhakti? Shoka Harshabhyam. Chaturthi, Shokaya. Cha Arsha, something just saying, Shoka, Arsha, Shoka, Arsho, Tabhyam, Shoka, Arshabhyam. May one not yield oneself or offer oneself to Shoka, that is sorrow, and Arsha, happiness. Shatruhu, Iva. Shatrubhyam, Iva. Shatrubhyam also. Same. Chaturthi. Shatrubhyam, Iva. Na Arpayet. So Shatrubhyam, like one doesn't, submit oneself to Shatru. Similarly, one should not yield oneself to Shoka, that is Dukkha, and happiness. That is what it means.
This
Dukkhe
one I don't. Sukhe Pashyet Sukhadikam. That is not clear.
That is-
Sukhe Pashyet Sukhadikam.
Sukhadika means the one. And please ask.
One who has happiness should see one.
Sukhadikan Pashyet. One who has, you look at the person who has got more Sukha. So that you know you will not be overpowered, you will not be elated by your Sukha.
Okay, over.
So that is the idea. Don't be carried over by Sukha or Dukkha. Because there are people who have more pain or more Sukha than you. Therefore, you be, objective to it. That is the idea. Shatrubhyam eva. Like you don't easily submit yourself to the enemy. Similarly, don't submit yourself to both Sukha and Dukkha. Now here karma is Dukkhe. Dukkhe Saptami Bhakti. Kidrishi Saptami. Vishya Saptami. Dukkhe. Dukkha Vishaye. Dukkhe. Dukkadikan Pashyet. Dukkadikan Karma. Sukhe similarly same things. Sukhadikan Pashyet.
In Atman.
Atmanam. That is Atmanam na Arpayet. So what Vidya all these are? Atuhi Ipsitamam Karma.
Ipsamam.
Right? Okay. Then Karanam. So karma, we have seen all the sutras related to that. But Upapada Bhakti is not covered. I think that comes later. And now Karanam. What is the definition of Karanam? Sutra is Tadakatamam Karanam. That which is the most useful thing. Sadakatama. Sadakatama the word tama indicates that it is most useful. And sadhaka, that is a null pratyaya. Sadhaka tamam karanam.
Kartrukarma.
And Tritiya Bhakti, we have got more Tritiya, a lot of Tritiyas are there. So we have seen in Tritiya. The Prakrityadibhyaha Pasankyanam is important. Okay. Then the Sadhaka is the tool, the means, that which is the most useful means. Yasya Vyaparasya Samanantaram Phalam Siddhyati Tat Karanam. So Yasya Vyaparasya, Vyapara, the transaction, Yasya Vyaparasya Samanantaram Phalam Siddhyati Tat Karanam. So Phalam Siddhyati Yasya Vyaparasya Samanantaram Phalam. Samanantaram Phalam means the Phalam in keeping with, Anantaram. Anantaram is after. Samyak Anantaram Samanantaram. Vyaparasya Phalam Samanantaram, after the Vyapara, completion of the Vyapara.
Immediately after the
Immediately after. Yeah. After the action, the Phalam Siddhyati Tat Karanam. Okay. Then Tadyata Ramaha Bhanena Ravanam Hanti. Atra Handatoho Phalam Prana Viniyogaha. So we saw before, Dhatu has got two elements, Vyaparaha and Phalam.
Phalam.
Vyapara involves a series of activities. Vyaparasya ashreha karta, phalasya ashreha karma. So, Vyapara palayoho vyadikaranam asti chit, tarhi saha dhatuhu sa karmaka dhatuhu, right? So here andhatoho phalam is prana viniyogaha. Phalam. Tadanukula kriya, dhanusha graganam, tatra bhanasya yojanam, ityadi, kutra asti kartari, in Rame asti. So for dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu. Right? Phala vyadikarana vyaparayoho. Phala vyadikarana vyaparayoho vachakatvam sakarmakatvam. So vyadikarana, therefore dhatu is sakarmaka dhatu. Atta Ramaha karta phalam prana viniyogaha Ravane asti. So Ravana is karma. Rama is karta. Ataha prana viniyoga Ravane asti. Ataha saka karma. Banasya Sharira Praveshanantaram eva. That's why he says Samanantaram Prana Viniyogaha Bhavati. Atra Bharasya Sharira Praveshana Rupa Vyaparasya Samanantaram Palam Maranam Siddhyati. Ataha Bhanam Karanam Tasma Tritiya Vivaktiki Bhavati Sadhakatamam Karanam. 1442. I think that is a sutra. Sadhakatamam Karanam Karanatvat Anabhite Karane Tritiya Bhakti. Undenoted karma. That is Tritiya Bhakti. How it is Tritiya Bhakti? What sutra?
Karanayotu Tritiya.
Kartar Karanayos Tritiya. That is the sutra. Big Karna will take Tritiya Bhakti. Balakaha Padabhyam Gramam Gacchati. Atra Gamdatoho Palam Uttara Desha Sanyogaha. Tadanukula Kriya Vyaparaha. Palam Grame Asti Ataha Tat Karma. Vyaparaha Balake Asti Ataha Saka Karta. Atra Padayoho Anekashaha Uddharana Nikshepana Rupa Vyaparasya. Lifting and placing the feet, that Vyapara, series of activities. Samanantaram Palam Grama Praptihi Siddhyati. Ataha Padayoga Karna Sangya. Okay, Karta Karma is a Sakarmaka Dhatu. Karma. Fine. Samanantaram Palam Siddhyati, therefore Karna Sangya. Or he says Samanantaram. From where he takes the word Samanantaram, we don't know. Sadhakatamam Karanam. That's fine. Then etesham tritiyantani rupani likata. Rama dash likati.
Lekhanya.
Lekhani is therefore Karanakaraka, Kartakaranyos Tritiya. Karanakaraka by the Sutra, Sadhakatamam Karanam. Chalakaha Yanam Gachati. Yanena Gachati. Therefore it is Sadhakatamam Karanam, Kartakaranyos Tritiya. Balakaha Kandukam Kshiprati. Katam.
Hastena.
So 1442 and 2318. Krishikaha Khanitram Bhumim Khanati. Kanitrena. Kanitra is a machine tool. The digger. Ganeshaha Shalam Gachati. Chakrikaya. 1442 and 2318. Same. Apanikaha Dura. Sambhashate. Katam. Durabhashaya Sambhashate. Chatraha Ghatam Thadayati.
Dandena.
Ghatam Thadayati. Lata dash Gachati.
Padabhyam.
Padabhyam Gachati. Dhanikaha Vastu Krinati.
Dhanena.
Uma Dvichakrika Graham Gachati. Chakrikaya. So this Karanam is done. Sampradanam. Karmanayam Avipraiti. Only Karaka is covering only the main thing. But Karana we have got other things also. After 1442, there are Divakarmacha. I think the Prakatyadi Vapasankyanam Vartika. Other sutras are there. Apavarge Tritiya, Ittam Vute Tritiya, so many Tritiyas are there. I think maybe you will cover under Upapada Bhakti, all those things. Divakarmacha is there. I mean, that is not important anyway, only for Devdhatu. Hetu Tritiya also. So 1442, and that is, he is covering only Karana. So Karana is 1442, Sadhakatamam Karanam. After that, 1443 is there. Then I think that Karana is going as Anuvritti further. Sutrapata, if you see, 1443, I think, okay. Only these two. 1443 not important. I think that's why he has not covered that. Only for the Divdhatu. Then Sampradhanam. Karvanayama Vipraiti. Sa Sampradhanam. So that is, Sutra is 1432. 1432. It's a Chaturthi Sampradhana idol. Dhanasya Karmana Aviprayavanam Sambandhum Ishyamanam Sampradhanam. Sambandhum. Dhatu is Bandhu Dhatu plus Tuman Pratyaya. Sambandhum. Dhanasya Karmana Aviprayavanam Sambandhum Ishyamanam Sampradhanam. So Yam Aviprayati, therefore Aviprayamanam. Tadyata Pita Putraya Dhanam Dadati. Atra Karma Dhanam. Karma Bhutena Dhanena Pita Kam Sambandhum Ichchati. Sambandhum Ishyamanam Aviprayamanam. Aviprayati. Putram. Therefore Putra is Sampradhana. Tasma Chaturthi Vibhaktihi Bhavati. Karmanayam Abhipraiti Sa Sampradhanam. 1432. Tameshaha Rajakaya Vastram Dadati. Vastram Karma. Karma, that Vastram is meant for whom? Kasmai Abhipraiti. That is Sampradhanam. Rajakaya. Karma Bhutena Vastrena Rameshaha Rajakam Sambandhum Ichchati. Ishyamanam is what Rupam?
Shanachu.
Yeah, Karmani. Shanach Karmani. No, Shanach Karmani or what? Yeah, Shanach Karmani. Issue one dhatu is the which is sixth conjugation. Another ish dhatu which is in fourth conjugation. Ishyati, ishyataha, ishyanti. Gato arte. So ishyamanam is the sense of gato, movement. Preyaman, that's why abhipreyamanam. Ishdhatu, then Shanach. Karmani Shanach. Ishyamanam Karmani, and it is future, okay. It is a share, not shen. It is lit Karmani Shanach. Lit takar, lit, that is future. Ishtatu plus ya plus ana. It's Karmani only. Lit Karmani. Ishyamanam. Please see, Ishyamanam. He is using litakara because abhiprayati, karmanayam abhiprayati, that is intended for whom? Sambandham ishyamanam. Karmana sambandham ishyamanam. By karma, the one who is related to karmana ishyamanam. Sambandham ishyamanam sampradhanam. So ishdatu ish gatau, not ishu gatau. Ishu is ichaya. That is sixth conjugation. Ichati ichataha. This is fourth conjugation. Karmani Shanach. Okay, then. Rameshah Rajakaya Vastram Dadati Karmabhutena Vastrena Rameshah Rajakam Sambandham Ichati Ataha Rajakaha Sampradhanam Bhavati Tasma Chaturthi. Guruhu Manavakaya Dharmam Bhrute. Manavakaya Dharmam Bhrute. So here only we saw Manavakam also can come Akatitam Cha. Manavakaya Dharma Karmabhutena Dharmena Guruhu Manavakam Sambandham Ichati, therefore Sampradhanam. Sampradhana, instead of Sampradhana, we can use karma also, that is by Akatitam Cha. Then, not only karma, but kriya also. Kriyaya api, that is Vartika. Karmanayam abhiprati sampradhanam, then kriyaya api sampradhanam bhavati. Kriya uddeshyam api sampradhana sanyam labhate. Yata tadita patni patye shete. Atra shayana kriyayaha uddeshyam patihi. Which is Chaturthi year? Patye. Pati is what sanya? Remember, Pati. Pati is
Kisanya.
Isanya.
Pati is Gisanya or Samase. Yeah. That Pati, the word Pati and Saki. I think Saki also. So Patihi, Samase only Gisanya, right? But this is not Samasa. If it is Gisanya, then all Gisanya related rules will apply. Like in the case of Mati and all. Chaturthi Vakti, Matyayi, Matahe, two forms. The option is there. So Patihi will be Samasa only will be Gi. Dafi Ganapataye, Umapataye. But here it is not Gi. Therefore it is simple Sandhi only. Pati plus Ye. Nye. Nye. Bhyam. Vyas. Right? Pati plus Nye. Pati plus Ye. Just a Yen Sandhi. Right? Remember. Patihi Amma. Samase eva Gisanya. This is not Samasa. This is Pati is a word. If it is Gisanya, then what will happen to Chaturthi Vakti, Ekavachanam? Haraye, for example. Haraye, for example. What happens there? Hari plus Nye, right? Ari plus Ge, then that, what's the sutra? Chaturthi. Ari plus A, then Guna happens, right? Ari become
Guna.
Are.
Yeah.
Are plus A.
Sheshogya
Hare and then Hare.
So Guna happens.
Gher
If it is
niti iti guna.
Gengiti. So if it is Gisanya, then Guna happens and then before. Then Ayadi Sandhi. Then, Are plus A, then Ayadi Sandhi will happen. So Gengiti will apply. Here it is not, just Yen Sandhi. Patni Patye Shete. Shayana Kriyayaha Uddeshyam Patahi. Patim Uddishya Shete. Not Shate, Shete. Typo.
Shit.
Tasmat Patyuhu Sampadana Sanya. I think this is an example also we also gave. Same example.
Yes.
Okay. So the Kriya is intended for whom? That intended for whom that will be also considered to be Sampradhanam. Tadyatava Paropakaraya Palani. So it's a nice example. Rukshaha Palanti. Palanti Kriya. Kriyaya Yam Avipraiti. Para Upakara. Rukshaha Paropakaram Uddishya Palanti is a good example. Paropakaraya Palanti Vrikshaha. So the difference between Karmanayam Avipriti and Kriyayam Avipriti. In Kriya Avipriti, you will see the word, you'll see the Dhatu, Dhatu mainly. So the karma will go to the person, the recipient of that karma will be Sampradhanam. But in Kriya, that Kriya will be that, other than Dhatu. The Palanti, so that's an example also Dhatu has given. Pita Putrai Dhanam Dadati. Dadatu or any Dhatu equivalent to that meaning. Whereas here you can see Paropakaraya Palanti Vrikshaha. Paropakara is Kriyayam Avipriti is a Sampradhanam. Here that is karma. There is no karma. Vrikshaha Paropakaraya Palanti. Karma not there. Therefore we cannot say Karmanayam Avipriti. It is Kriyayam Avipriti. Palanti Kriya, that is intended for Para Upakara. Right? So another thing is, so you will not see karma. If karma is that, then Karmanayam Avipriti. So you can note that. So, okay, then next one. Ruch Dhatu. Ruch Dhatu is a special Dhatu. Ruch Dhatu will govern Chaturthi.
Chaturthi.
Ruchimanartaha Priya, Ruchirtanam Priyamanaha. Sutra is there. So that also will get the Sanya Sampradhanam. Ruch Dhatoho Priyoge Yasmai Rochate. Tad Vachakaha. That word Sampradhana Sanyam Prapnoti. Tadyata Balakaya Chakalekaha Rochate. Chakalekaha is what?
Chocolate.
Meaning is chocolate, yes. What Karaka, what you, yeah.
That is actually Kartru here, Chakaleha.
Not Karta, no. Karta is Balaka only Karta. Karta. Balaka only
karma.
Karta.
Should
Chakaleka
be
is
karma.
Karma only. But it is not Karmani Priyaha. You see, that is a thing here. It's just Karmani, it's not Karmani Priyaha, but Karma will be in Pratama Vibhakti. This is a special case. Balaka is the Karta. Karta is input in Chaturthi Vibhakti. And it gets Sanya Sampradhanam. Karta gets, get a Sampradhana Sanya. Atra Chakalehasya Vishaye Priti Balake Samutpanna. Ataha Balakaha Prityashtayaha. Ruchyartanam Priyamanaha. So Prityashtayaha is Balakaha. Tasmat Tasya Sampradana Sanya. We don't say Balaka is Karta.
Yeah.
If you say Karta, then it's a problem. Then Karta should be Pratama Vibhakti will correct. That's why Sampradhanam. And Sampradana Chaturthi iti. Chaturthi. Karta taking, the one who likes, that will be Chaturthi Bhakti. Yatava, then Shishave Kshiram Rochate. Now here interesting thing is, if you do the Karmani Prayoga of this, what will happen?
Uchyate.
So Rochate become Ruchyate.
Kshiram Uchyate.
So Balaka is the
Chakaleyaka
Balakena.
Balaka is the Balakena Chakalekaha Ruchyate. This is I think so. I'm not sure. I have to check. Okay. That in Karmani Prayoga this will something I've done somewhere, some I forgot how I did it. Here Balaka is Sampradana. In Karmani Prayoga, what will happen to Sampradana? Nothing happens. So therefore Balakaya and Rochdatu, Rochdatu becomes Ruchyate. And the Chakalekaha is Karma. But Karma, it is in Pratama Vibhakti, so it is a subject. So Balakaya Chakalehena Ruchyate. Should be like that. Yeah. Chakalekaha is Karma, but Karma is in Pratama. No, it's not Karma is in Pratama. Here we have to take Chakalekaha is as the subject. Actually, it's Karma, but in Vrishidhatu, as Karta is in it's a Sanya called Sampradhanam, therefore it's not Karta Sanya, because it is in Akada Deka Sanya, only one Sanya possible, right? So therefore, you can enjoy only one Sanya. Balaka can enjoy only one Sanya, Sampradhana, not Kartra Sanya. So therefore, Balakaya is Sampradhana. Chakalekha similarly, that also can enjoy only one Sanya. Though it is Karma, but here it is not Karma, it is Pratama Karta. That's why we have to take it. Chakalekaha Rochate. Then if it is Karta, then what will happen in Karmani? So Balakaya will remain as Balakaya. Balakaya Chakalehena Ruchyate. That would be Karmani Prayoga. Chintaniyam. Okay. So Ruch Dhatoho Ruch yes. Prayoge Yasmai Rochate. So Yasmai Rochate. So therefore, Karta will be Sampradana. It's not Karta anymore. It will be enjoy Sampradana. And then what he likes, that is Karma, but that is not Karma. That will be put in Pratama Vibhakti, Kartari Prayoga. Therefore, Kartari Prayoga, Karta will be Pratama. That is the subject. So Karmani, therefore, it will be Balakaya Chakalehena Uchyate. Karmani, that will be. Similarly, Shishave Kshiram Rochate. Shishave remains Shishave only. Kshiram Kshirena Ruchyate. Okay, then Kurd Drug Irshya Asuyartakaha Datavaha. This also we saw. This Sutram is one Sutram Kurd 1437, I think. The same. Kurd Drug Irshya Asuyartanam Yam Prati Kopaha. Is given 1437. Krodaha, Drogaha, Irshya. Irshya is Asahanam. Asuya, Dosha Avishkaranam. Guneshu Dosha Avishkaranam. Etadattakanam Dhatonam Prayoge Yam Prati Kopaha Asti Saha Sampradanam Singha Prapnoti. 1437.
यथा
Like,
देवदत्तः यज्ञदत्ताय क्रुध्यति दुह्यति.
yes. Krudhyati. All, if you see, the fourth conjugation will be there, right?
Yeah.
Krudhatu is fourth conjugation. Drugdhatu also fourth conjugation. Irsh dhatu, asuya. Asuya is Khandvadigana dhatu, I think. Khandvadigana. Okay. Kamsaha Krishnaya Krudhyati. So Kamsaha Krishnam Krudhyati is wrong. Please note. So Krishna, he will not enjoy karma sanya. It is enjoys sampradana. Akaranat eka sanya. So we may think Krishna is karma. No. By this sutra, it will enjoy sampradana. Can it enjoy karma sanya? No. Because it is an akaranat eka sanya. So Krishnaya krudhyati. Rodhartaka dhatu vartate atra. Kamsasya Krishnam prati kopaha asti. Ataha Krishnasya sampradana sanya. Sampradana chaturthi iti. Fourth case. Dronadaya abhimanyave drugyanti. Draghartaka dhatu vartate. Atraha dronadinam abhimanyum prati kopaha vartate. Ataha drogam kurvanti. Tasmad abhimanyo sampradana signya. Karnaha arjunaya irshyati. Same thing here also. Irshyartaka takaka dhatu vartate. Karnasya arjunam prati kopaha vartate. Ataha tadvishe asahanam. That's sampradana signya. Can you hear me?
Yes, ji.
Some internet unstable comes. Duryodhanaha
It's clear.
Pandave. Sorry?
It's clear only, Sharanjeevi.
Clear, okay. Yeah, there's some internet issue. The other classes are getting disturbed. Duryodhanaha Pandavebhyaha Asuyati. And mark also only 2 points are there. The Wi-Fi points. Atra Asuyartaka dhatuhu vartate. Duryodhanasya Pandavan prati kopaha. Tasmat teshu doshan pashyati asuya. Asuya, remember Kandvadigana? Kanduyati. Then asuyati, this dhatu is there. Kandvadigana. Okay, ataha tebhyaha sampradana sanya. Now, let us do the exercise. 12.8. Etesham chaturtyantani rupani likata. You can tell the rupam, not only the rupam, but sutra also. Acharyaha dash vidyam dadati.
Chatraya
Chatraya.
Sutra is karmana.
karmana yamaphi.
So, what is the karma here?
Vidya.
So, that is intended for whom that person will take, that will take sampradana sanya. Chatraya. Okay. Can we say chatram? Acharyaha chatram vidyam dadati.
Akatitam cha.
So,
Akatitam cha dhatu is it vikarmaka dhatu?
Okay. It's not written.
Only if it is vikarmaka dhatu we can do.
Okay.
This is ashuddha prayoga. People say it like this, but it is not correct. Like grammatically, it should be chatraya vidyam dadati acharya. That is, chatraya is correct. If it is dvikarmaka dhatu, then it is okay. Like bru dhatu, prach dhatu, etc. Acharya chatram vidyam, parashnam prichati. That is fine. But not for other dhatu. The dhatu is, when karma is intended for whom, that will sampradana only. Ditya Bhakti is not authorized by any sutra. Therefore, it is not sadhu prayoga. Okay.
Yes.
Maheshaha dash margam vadati.
Tantre.
Huh?
Tantre.
Yeah.
Trich.
Then Gantra Shabda is
Tantrisha.
like Datrisha.
It's just helping you by saying it is Gantra Shabda.
Okay.
Danta is the goer. Then Mata dash Maduram Dadati.
Priyai.
So, Priyai. So Maduram is sweet intended for Putri. Guruhu Ithopadesham Brute. Kasmai Shishyaya Sampradanam. Then Shishuhu Kshiram Rochate.
Shishave Kshiram.
Sutra is Ruchyartanam Priyamanaha. Right? What Sutra? 1433.
33.
1433, yes. Then Chayam Narochate. Rameshaya Chayam Narochate. Karmani would be? What is Karmani? Rameshaya. Chayam Chayena
Chayena
Naruchyate. Similarly, Shishave Shirena Naruchyate. That would be Karmani. Dushtaha dash Durgyanti.
Sajjanebhyaha.
Sajjanebhyaha. This is by the Sutra. Kurudruk Irshya Asuyartakanam Sampradana Sanya Bhavati. What Sutra? I think that is Suttam Sutra is there. Okay. Yam Pratikopaha, right? 1437. Durjanaha, okay. That's all same thing. Durjanaha Sajjanebhyaha Suyanti. Kauravaha Pandavebhyaha Durgyanti. Then Ravanaha, not Ramanaha. Ravanaha Ramaya Ishyati. So now you know, no, these three sutras you are not much familiar with these exercises. Then
We have
Apadana.
seen that Upasarga Purvata Krudha Druh Dhatu will take Karma Sangyan Tritiya Vibhakti. We have seen that. That Krudruhor Upasrishtayo, but very next.
Yeah, 1438, yes.
138.
Yeah, the dhatu, these dhatus with the upasarga, yes. That is by 1438. With the upasarga, it will take Chaturthi Vibhakti ki na bhavati, but it will take Dvitiya Vibhakti. I think this book has not covered, but we have seen. Please, our table is good. You can go by your table. Devadattam Abhidurgyati.
That one, yeah.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's what is it? Bharyam.
Bharyam Apish Puram Abhikrudyati.
Abhikrudyati, yes. Yeah. So all those things. So Abhipurvaka, when President Upasarga, any Upasarga, that is only for Krud and Drug Dhatu.
No, Shrinji. Irshya Asuya also is mentioned there. They're also mentioned.
But Sutra is Krud Drughoho Upasrishtayoho Karma. Other dhatus are there in the example.
No, not in the example, but in the table you have mentioned when Krududruh Irshya Asuya used with an person towards
this is one, right?
23 point.
23, yeah.
Point 23. Yeah, in that table.
Okay, yeah. So it's not in 69. Okay, yeah. Point number 23.
23.
Yes, you're right. Yeah. Abhikrudyati, Abhidurgyati, Abhirshati. This is 1438 only, yeah?
8. Then the next sutra of this one. 4.
Yeah. After Sampradana. The same thing I think is repeated there. It's okay. The Chaturthi Bhakti also have the same Chitra I have written, and then I said Chaturthi Bhakti.
No, this sutra is different, no? 1437. Sampradana is 1437. And this one is 1438.
Yeah. Sampradana is karmana ema vipriti sampradhanam, right?
Ah,
There only I have written 1438 the sutra. There Sampradana Sanya it will not get, it will take Dvitiya Bhakti. I have mentioned the same thing, that 69 or something, that number. But here, maybe I think I would have taken other words from somewhere, maybe from the Kashika somewhere. Okay. All the dhatus you can take. Ikrud, Druk, Irshya, Nasuya, when they are used with Upasarga, then it will enjoy Karma Sanya, not Sampradana Sanya. Yes. Good point. You can note this also. Would have been given here. Anyway. Yes. Then Apadhanam. Vibhagashrayaha Apadhanam. Vibhagashrayaha Apadhanam. What is Vibhagashrayaha?
separation.
Bhagam
Or
happens.
it's cut into two something. Vibhaga, it's made some parts of PARTS.
Vibhaga is part. Bhaga. Vibhaga Ashrayaha Apadhanam. So Ashrayaha is Adharaha. Parnam Vrikshat Patati. Purvam Parnam Vrikshe Asit. Parnasya Tasmat Vrikshat Vibhagaha. Now it is separated. 15th one. Vibhagaha Tvayoho Padartayoho Bhavati. Atra Vibhahyata Vrikshe Vartate Evam Parne Api Asti. Tasmat Vibhagashrayaha Yata Vrikshaha. एवं पर्णम अपि विभागस्य आश्रयः एव अतः किमर्थं पर्णस्य न संप्रदान अपादान संज्ञा. Okay, I think he has given an argument. विभागः द्वयोः पदार्थयोः भवति. अतः विभागः द्वयोः पदार्थ is two things, two objects. अतः विभागः यथा वृक्षे वर्तते एवं पर्णे अपि अस्ति. Now here example is वृक्ष पर्णं कुत्र अस्ति? वृक्षे अस्ति. वृक्षात् पर्णं वृक्षात् पतति. पूर्वं पर्णं वृक्षे आसीत्. पर्णस्य तस्मात् वृक्षात् विभागः जातः, सेपरेटेड. अतः विभागस्य आश्रयः वृक्षः अपादानं भवति. विभागस्य आश्रयः वृक्षः संप्रदानं भवति. Now here the question is asking one question and then give some samadhanam. विभागः द्वयोः पदार्थयोः भवति. विभागः यथा वृक्षे वर्तते एवं पर्णे अपि अस्ति. तस्मात् विभाग आश्रयः यथा वृक्षः एवं पर्णमपि विभागस्य आश्रयः एव. अतः किमर्थं पर्णस्य न संप्रदान संज्ञा? Why it is given apadana संज्ञा, क्षम्यताम्, अपादन संज्ञा. Why it is not given for वृक्षा? अत्र इदं समाधानं. पर्णस्य व्यापार आश्रयत्वात् कर्तृसंज्ञा, विभाग आश्रयत्वात् अपादान संज्ञा च प्राप्ता. तयोः कर्तृसंज्ञा विधायकं सूत्रं स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता अष्टाध्याय्यां परं वर्तते. अपादान संज्ञा विधायकस्य सूत्रस्य ध्रुवम् अपादानं 1424 अपेक्षया परत्वात् पर्णस्य कर्तृसंज्ञा एव भवति. विप्रतिषेधे परं कार्यम्. Is it clear? Question is asked. Vrikshat parnam patati. So, वृक्षात् पर्णं पतति. वृक्षस्य अपादान संज्ञा. किमर्थं पर्णस्य न अपादान संज्ञा? पर्णस्य व्यापार आश्रयत्वात्. पर्ण has got the व्यापारस्य आश्रयः यः सः कर्ता. So पर्णस्य व्यापार आश्रयत्वात् कर्तृसंज्ञा. कर्तृसंज्ञा by the sutra 1454. Vibhaga Ashrayatvat Apadana Sanya api bhavati. It is the Ashraya of the Vibhaga also. Therefore, by that, it can be Apadana Sanya also. So, two Sanyas are ordained for Paranam. But it is Akadarat Eka Sanya Adhikare Vartate. Therefore, only one Sanya is possible. When two Sanyas are there, you have to ordain only one Sanya. Therefore, you ordain what Sanya? The Pratishide Param Karyam. By that, Kartra Sanya. Therefore, Apadana Sanya is not there for Paranam. It is Samadhanam. Understand?
Yes, Jay.
So, Vibhagasya Ashreha api Paranam eva. Tadrishtya Apadana Sanyam api prapnavati. Kintu Vyaparasya Ashrayatvat Kartra Sanya iti krutva Swatantra Karta iti Parasutram vartate. Ataha Viprasya Param Karyam iti sutrena Paratvena Paratvat Parnasya Kartra Sanya eva. Okay. Vibhagaha is the part. Putra vartate, vrikshe vartate. Where is the leaf? Leaf is in the
Leaf is
in the
in-
tree only.
Yeah.
And evam parne api asti. Parne api vibhagaha asti. Vibhagaha is separation. See, separation is when two things are moving, they separated, it's one separation. When one thing is stationary, other one is moving, then that is a separation. But relatively speaking, if leaf moves, tree also is away, right? As the tree, leaf falls, tree also is, the distance away. So the vibhaga is putra vartate. It is in there in both.
Mm.
Both are separated. So leaf moves away means tree also, relatively speaking, it is away. So vibhaga dvayoho padartayoho vartate. That's what it says. Vibhaga yata vrikshe vartate. Evam parne api. The separation as there in the vriksha is there in the parnam also. It is evam parne api asti. So vibhagasya ashreha vrikshaha. Number one. Parnam also vibhagasya ashreha. Then why do you ordain apadana sanya to vriksha, not to parna? But for that the samadhanam is parna falls, not vriksha falls. Not to vriksha patati, parnaha patati. Patada kriya. The kriya has got two things, vyapara and pala. Vyaparasya ashya kutra bhavati kartari, karta. Therefore, vyaparasya ashrayatvat parnasya kartra sanya. And vibhagasya ashrayam api asti tasya apadana sanya api bhavati. But only one sanya is possible. Therefore, parasutratvat kartra sanya. And therefore, vriksha will be apadana sanya. Apadana sanya karta vrikshasya panchami vibhaktihi. Parnasya pratama vibhakti. That's why vrikshat parnam patati. Right?
Yes, Jay.
Vibhaga means separation. Vibhagasya ashreha yatra vartate tat apadanam. Okay. Vyaparasya ashreha. So vibhagasya ashreha, then it is there in both. One is moving means other one is also relatively moving away. Now, further example. Ramaha vanat agacchati. Atra Ramasya. So, Rama vanat agacchati goes towards a town, for example. It means it's moving away from the forest. So, the distance between forest and Rama increases. Rama is away. So, therefore, Rama and Vana both have got Vibhaga Ashraya, Apadana. But Rama is the Ashraya for the Vyapara, that Agachati. Therefore, Swatantra Karta, by that sutra, Pratama Vibhakti, and Vana will be Vibhagasya Ashraya Apadanam. Apadanatvat Panchami. Atra Ramasya Vanasya Sanyogaha Asit, yes. Sanyoga Anukula Kriya, that is Agachati. Ramasya Agamanena Vibhagaha Jataha, separation happens from the Vana. So, sorry, Vanasya Sanyoga Asit Purvam, He is in the vana, in the forest. Ramasya agamanena, because he moves away from the forest, therefore vibhagaha jataha, there is separation. Vibhagasya ashraya vanam. Ataha tasya apadana sanya. Rameshaha vyagrat bibeti. This is by a different sutra. Vitratanam bhaya hetuhu. Right? Vitratanam bhaya hetuhu. That which is a cause for fear, that will also take apadana sanya. Vitratanam kriya bhaya hetuhu. Cause of fear. Cause of fear and that from which you have to protect. So that will take sampradana sanya. Footnote 16. Yadyapi vitrartanam bhaya hetuhu iti sutrena atra apadana sanya. Tatapi tatna uktamatra. Okay, very interesting. Yeah? See here. Ramesha Vyagrat Bibeti. So Vyagra is, from that he is afraid of. It says here that HP by this sutra is not apadana sanya. Why? Bhashya asya sutrasya buddhi krita vibhagam ashritya pratyakyanasya api darshanat. Evam janikartuh prakritihi bhuvaha prabhavaha ityadu api. You understand the meaning of this?
First part okay ji, second part purille.
See, Bibeti is afraid, right? Actually,
Yeah, that comes in Panchami
Vitratanam
Vibhakti.
by Yetuhu. By that sutra, it should have been Panchami.
Panchami
But
Vibhakti.
Mahabhashyakara, he says, he takes it to be Apadanam. That is, Dhruvam Apaya Apadanam he takes. Why he takes Dhruvam Apaya Apadanam? He is mentally is away from that. Mentally is away from the tiger, that which causes fear. Buddhikrita vibhagam ashritya. The vibhagam is buddhikrita. So buddhikrita vibhagam ashritya pratyakyanasya api darshanat bhashye. Therefore, atra dhruvam apaya apadanam iti sutrena apadana sanya. Not vitratanam bhaya hetuhu. Yadyapi vitratanam bhaya hetuhu iti sutrena atra apadana sanya tatapi tatada uktam atra. It is not apadana sanya by this sutra. Why? Because in the Bhashyam, Mahabhashya, Bhashyakara says, Asya Sutrasya, Buddhi Krita Vibhagam Ashritya. Vibhaga caused by the Buddhi. Right? Ashritya, Pratyakyanasyapi. Pratyakyanam is said. Bhashyakara has said, Darshanat. Similarly, other sutras also have to be understood. He says, Janikartuhu. If it is Buddhi Krita, then we have to take it as Apadana Sanya. I mean, Dhrumapaya Padanam. Similarly, Bhuvaha Prabhavaha Ityadau. That is how Bhashyakara takes. Anyway, we can take Vitratanam Bhaya Hetuhu. It is not a dosha. Okay.
Yes, ji.
Vitratanam Bhaya Hetuhu. This is
Here
something.
Viprajishede will not work, ji. Param Karyam.
Param Karyam.
Vitratanam is 1425. And Apadana Sanya is 1424. Yeah, but Bhashyakara, in the Bhashyam, he takes this to be Buddhi Krita Vibhagam Ashritya.
1424 only.
He takes 1424, he takes. Anyway, we can take 1425. It's not a problem, huh? This is not a. Bhashyakara takes me some subtle reason.
Yeah.
Yes. That's why he says Buddhi Krita Vibhagam Ashritya. See, Rameshaha Vyagra Bibeti, then what happens? Does he move away from the Vyagra? He's afraid of tiger. So mentally he is detaching himself, moving away from the tiger. Right? So therefore he says Apadana Sanya. If that is not, then why this Vitratanam Bhaya Hetu Sutram is there? It becomes useless then, right? Redundant. Maybe for that must have other example. But this is example is given. Vitratana by Etu. So we can take Vitratana by Etu, not Dosha. Vyagraha yadi mam pashyati. Tarhi tam mam marayati iti ramesha chintayati. That is a buddhi krita. Mam chintayati. Mam marayati iti chintayati ramesha. Ataha sa vyagrat bibeti. Ataha bhautikasi vibhagaha abhave. Not physical separation, but buddhikalpita vibhaga vyagrat vartate, right? Therefore, vyagraha is vibhaga ashrayaha. That is the reason Bhashyakara gives buddhikrita vibhaga ashrayatvat. So therefore, there is a vibhaga is therefore apadadrum apaya apadanam. That's what Bhashyakara takes. Ataha vyagrasya apadara sanya. Apadane panchami vibhakti bhavati. Okay, that is fine. Because if you go by Bhashyakara, then Mahabhashyakara, then Vitratana Bhayetu, when it will apply, that question will come. Maybe that sutra is, I think,
It's
not
only
valid.
When-
According to Bhashyakara, the sutra
When
itself
he-
covers a possibility, then that sutras are maybe not required. Iti
It
Bhashyakara may
should be
think.
related to buddhi only, something he has to think about and doing.
Okay,
At that
yeah, if
time
it is
only
buddhi.
At that
So-
time only we have to use this. Otherwise, that Vipratishethe we can use, I think.
No, not like that. Buddhi krita, vibhagasya ashraya yadi buddhi kalpitam va, it is buddhi kalpita vibhaga va, bhautika vibhaga, kopi bhavatu. Vibhaga is vibhaga, that is dhrum apaya apadanam. That is what Bhashyakara says. Bhautikasya vibhagasya abhave api. Bhautikasya vibhaga va, atva buddhi kalpita vibhaga va. Kopi bhavatu. Apadana is dhrum apaya apadanam. Iti sutraneva apadana sangyam prapnoti. Therefore, this Vitratana Bhayetu, other sutras are not considered by Mahabhashyakara. The sutra itself is enough, says.
Oh,
Okay, this is a note anyway, Bhashyakara says. But we can, if you go by sutra, then Vitratana Bhayetu, we can take nothing wrong. Okay.
yes.
That's why we have, in fact, we take like that only. These are all very subtle discussions in, if you see Mahabhashya. Then, Etesham, do the exercise. Etesham Panchami Antani Rupani Likata. Dhavan Ashvaha Yodha Patati. Kaha Patati?
Yodha Padati.
The warrior falls.
Ah.
Patati. Kasmat.
Dhavan.
Dhavan becomes Dhavatah.
Ah.
Shatranta is there.
Yeah, that's a Shatranta.
So Panchami
Ashwat.
Dhavatah Ashwat.
Dhavatah
Ashwat.
Ashwat.
Yodha Patati. Uma dash Pratyagachati.
Nagarat.
Nagarat.
So,
Nagarat.
both are by Panchami by the Sutram Dhrum Apaya. Arakshakaha dash Vrdham Trayate.
Chorat.
Bhaya Vitratanam. That we can take 1-4. 25.
25.
Balika dash Bibeti. Gajat. So this also we can take 1 for 25. Dash Akashaha Jalam Varshati.
Akasha.
Akashat.
Dash Akasha Jalam Varshati. What sutra?
1-4-24.
No, not 24.
Like first one we saw.
First one, no, Sharanji.
First one, what we saw, no? Dhruvam.
Dhruvam.
Akasha Jalam Varshati. Jalam is a source. From there rain comes.
Janikartu.
So you can take Janikartu. Why not?
Or Bhuvaha Prabhava. First, that we have हिमवतः गंगा प्रभवति.
Yeah, that which is a place that, but we are given the meaning as appearance of that, you see that operative beginning of a thing like the source of river, etc. But here from the cloud only directly rain comes. Himavatah Ganga Parvati means not from the mountain Ganga literally comes. That is, some the rainwater is collected in the mountain and that flows as Ganga. That's how we take, right? So this is a operative beginning.
So the source of.
But Janikatuhu is clouds are converted into rain. They become rain. So that is a material cause. So Janikartuhu Prakritihi 1430 is better. Huh? Again, how you look upon Vivaksha, Varshati, suppose Jalam is separated from the Akasha, then Apadana, then Dhruvam Apaya Apadanam. That is how I think he takes here, because he has not mentioned the other sutra, but we can take Janikartuhu, Prakritihi. Dash Ganga Udakam Aharati. So dash Ganga is somebody brings water from the Ganga.
From Ganges we get water.
Yeah. Udakam Aharati. Aharati means, what is meaning of Aharati? Hrudavatu with A Upasarga. There's in the Upasarga one shloka is there we say, no? Aharati. Aharati means brings. Karta is not mentioned, I say.
Okay. Gangat Udakam.
Or Aharati, okay.
Gangayaha. It's Srilinga, no?
So Aharati means which you can say that which comes, which that meaning also is there. Aharati. Bring also is there. Or Ganga gives water, that meaning also is there. So Gangayaha Udakam Aharati. So again, Saha we can supply, or Udakam itself we can take that to be Prathama Vibhakti.
So
which sutra, Ajay? Which sutra?
Dhruvam Apayeva.
Dhruvam Apaya, 1424.
Gangayaha Udakam Aharati. So what is the translations? If you say Saha Gangaya Udakam Aharati, is Dhruvam Apaya Padana. Saha Gangayaha Udakam Aharati. He brings water from the Ganges, Ganga. Right? Or Aharati, if you give some other meaning, like, I think that is better, I think. Huh? Okay. Saha Gangayaha Udakam Aharati. That's okay. So, Dhrumapaya Padanam. Apanam Vastuni Krinati. So, Krinati, you have to supply Saha. Apanat. So, Apadanam. Saha Petika. The Petikas Pustakam Svikaroti.
Petikaya.
Pustakam
So, here also, Apadanam.
Saha.
Yes, Saha. Dhanam Padati. Here, Dhanam is the Karta. Koshat. Dhrumapaya Padana.
Koshat.
Prajaha Prajayante.
Brahmanaha.
So, what sutra?
This is Janikartuhu Prakriti.
Yes, you can take Janikartuhu.
Prakriti.
Yeah. Janikartuhu. Or Bhuvaha Prabhavascha.
Even the table you have given this example for Janikartuhu.
Janikartuhu, yes, that's a given name. Brahmanaha means Maya Sagita Brahmanaha we have to take. If it takes not Brahma is Sachidananda Brahma, otherwise problem. Maya Sagita Brahmanaha, then it is Janikartuhu. Because Maya, when you say it is material cause, right? minus Maya, then it will have problem. Then Brahma undergoes change. No. Then Brahma becomes mutable. Then it is not Brahma anymore. So Brahmanaha Prajaha, then Janikartu we can take, taking Brahma to be Maya Sagita Brahmanaha. Okay, last one, this will complete and then stop. Annad Bhavanti Bhutani, Parjanya Danda Sambhavaha, Yajnad Bhavati Parjanyaha, Yajnakara Samudbhava, which chapter? Third chapter, right? The cosmic
Yeah.
cycle. So Annad Bhavanti Bhutani, then next one. Annad Bhavanti Bhutani, it is what Panchami? I mean, Apadana, what Apadana?
Anna bhavanti.
Janikartu.
Janikartu.
Jani Kartuhu.
Bhutani are born from Anna, right? The next one, Parjanyat Anna Sambhavaha.
Anna Sambhava. Parjanyat Anna Sambhava.
That also, right?
That is also.
Janikartu.
Parjanyaha Yajnat Bhavati. That also. Same thing.
Yes.
Janyat.
Next up, shloka, two shloka from the second chapter. Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha, Kamat Krodho Bijayate, Krodhat Bhavati Sammogaha, Sammogat Smriti Vibhramaha, Smriti Bramshat, Buddhinasha, Buddhinashat Pranashyati. First one, Sanga.
Janikartu.
Sangat Sanjayate Kamaha. Right. Kama alone becomes converted into Sangha alone becomes Kama, and Kama alone becomes Krodha, therefore Janikartuhu. Krodhat Bhavati Sammogaha.
There also
Same.
Janika.
Also same one.
All are,
We
I
have
think,
given all those,
Yeah,
all the
yes.
examples. Yes.
most of them.
So again, it depends on the Vivaksha. I take it is Krodha is the cause for, Kama is a cause for Krodha. So Krodha, Kama alone gets converted into Krodha. So it is a source. It is a cause. The material cause, suppose. We take Kama is the material cause for Krodha. Therefore, Janikartuhu. Some may take, some Acharya, when they comment on this shloka, they may take that to be a different Apadana. It's okay. There, I mean, it's possible, and then they gave the interpretation also. So that is that and all the grammarians, the commentators will do. But we can take this to be Janikartuhu, there is no dosha. Okay. Other commentators, I am saying, they may do it. They may take it as Apadanam, Drumapaya Apadanam, something like that, and they may comment. And they give the reason for it. That's okay. That's all. That is not a dosha. Next one, Adhikaranam, we will see in the next class. Today only my throat is better. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. Did you try that converting that Anikarta, that exercise? Karmani? You'll do in the next class.
Yeah, I just started.
Okay, you do it and we'll do it in the next class. We'll give more examples.
Okay.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
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 Dhanyavad.